Boys, we're off to the Ford parts store. Let's do this. Look, boys, I'm officially a diesel owner. I bought a shirt. That makes it official, right? Yeah, of course it does, right? Truck owner. We're headed to the parts department at the local Ford dealer. Got some stuff in. And no, it's not for the Mustang. It's actually for the thing I said I wasn't going to mod. My Super Duty. Or Beast, as I like to call it. Yes, that's right. We got some stuff in for the truck. I'm super excited about it. I think these are 3 major parts that you could do to update the look of your truck and the functionality of your truck and just your truck in general. So stay tuned. We're heading to the Ford dealership. We're going to pick some parts up. Parts department. That's where we're headed. Let's do this.
Here you go, sir.
I appreciate it. You too. Don't tell Courtney. You can't tell Courtney we bought these parts. Don't tell Court. Don't tell Court. But we got everything in. Thank you so much to Jeff from AutoNation in Arlington. This dude hooked it up, man. He helped me out. He price matched an online competitor and did a great job. So they all got here like next day. I didn't have to pay shipping and I just paid the price match price, which was a good price. So thank you to Jeff. If you guys need parts and you're in the DFW area, dude, hit up AutoNation Arlington. They took care of your boy. Now back home so we can tell you what we got. Ooh, that's a big box. Can't wait to show you. We got a medium one and a small one. There we have it, boys. There's all the parts that I ordered for the truck. Next day shipping. Thank you so much, Jeff from AutoNation, for hooking it up. But you guys may have noticed my drag wheels in the background. These are Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's. They are 275, 60, 15s, and there's a lot of life left on them. Just look at that. You can tell. They still have a whole lot of passes left in them. So if you're interested in them, they're for sale. I need to get bias plies for the Mustang for the new drag season. So hit me up in the comments section or shoot me an email. It's in the description below. I don't want to ship them, so let's say to North Texas only for right now. And let's work a deal out. I need to get rid of these so I can buy me some bias plies. Let's do it. How are you guys liking this quality? I don't know if you noticed or not, but I bumped it up to 4K for this video. I just figured it out on my GH4, so I apologize for the delay. Let me know what you think in the comment section below if you like this 4K quality. Real quickly though, I've got to move the truck out of the back alley, or my neighbors, you guys know them, they'll throw a fit. So we'll park the truck, hop back in the garage, and I'm going to show you what we ordered. Alrighty, so we have the parts here. I'm gonna open them for you and show you guys what they are and kind of explain my reasoning to buying them. I do have to note that I had a huge help from going online and going to forums and reading about this stuff. I didn't do all the research for this. I love going on forums. I've been doing it for years, and let the other people do a lot of hard work and you get to reap the benefits from that. So this is a product of other people's research that they've proven to work over time with the new truck and different parts that you can interchange from different models. And so this is kind of that. And I'm excited to show you guys, so let's jump in it. We'll get this big one knocked out and get it out of the way real quick. Get my handy dandy Microtech knife. If you watch my EDC video, click up there, I'll link it. If you're interested in knowing what I carry on a daily basis. This knife is amazing. Haha. Open this up. So this is a huge box. It's a huge box for a very simple piece. Let me take it out of the plastic here so I can show you guys. And one thing I'll do for you guys is I'll put all the part numbers down below, so if you're interested in searching these parts, you can do so. This one right here, this is a front valance. So this comes off of the 2-wheel drive version of my truck. It's shorter than the 4-wheel drive version by nearly half, maybe even more. And so what this is gonna do, it's gonna allow my truck to look bigger without actually putting a lift on it. If you notice the front of the 2017s that are four-wheel drive, the front lip is literally twice as big. It probably comes down to here. It's just this huge, ugly-looking Valence, and so I think the two-wheel drive one looks a lot better on there. Some people may ask, why would you change to a smaller one for the four-wheel drive truck, or why does a four-wheel drive truck come with a larger one? It's mainly for aerodynamics from what I'm reading online, but all the research that other guys have done have shown that they don't change fuel economy at all or anything noticeable when they swap out to this Valence here. So that's the theory behind it, and maybe it acts like a little brush too if you plan on going off-roading in your truck a little more often, and then you have that bigger Valence to kind of knock stuff down. So I don't really plan on doing a whole lot of off-roading, but if I do, I don't think it's going to be an issue to have this two-wheel drive Valence on there. All right, let's get this one out of the way. And we'll go to the smallest package, so we'll swap. I dropped the medium package on my wife's foot, so the whole don't tell Courtney thing didn't work because she's helping me film this, so Courtney knows. All right, the small box. Just cut this one wide open here. So now we have the small box here. This is going to be the part that I think I will appreciate maybe the most out of anything. I know I could have used it by now, so I'm glad to have finally purchased it. Let me get all this stuff out of here. It's all wrapped up nicely. This is the tailgate dampener that allows for the tailgate to drop slowly instead of when you release the handle, it just falls down. This will catch it and open real slow and smooth. And so it's just going to be like having an extra set of hands when you're trying to load something in the truck and you just want to open the tailgate and you just need to let it go. This will allow for that. So once again, another fairly inexpensive part. Thanks to AutoNation for price matching that. I think it was right around $50-something. So definitely cost effective when you're looking for making an upgrade and something that you're going to use on a regular basis. Lastly, this one. This is one that I am really excited about. This is a modification that every time you get in the truck, you're going to realize it's in there. You're going to use this every single time you drive your vehicle. So let's get this one open real quick. I want to be careful when I cut it open. I don't want to damage it. Yeah, looks so good. So this, my friends, is obviously a steering wheel. This is the version that comes on the Lariat trucks and up. And if we can look inside of here, you'll notice that it's leather wrapped. It feels great. I believe it's a little bit thicker too to the grip than what is on there right now. So the version that I currently have is basically like an XL. It's like a work truck. It's a rubberized steering wheel. It's nothing special. But this one, it has the nicer surrounding around the buttons. Let that S10 go by. He's jealous of the F250 steering wheel. So this one has the nicer surround that's going to blend in better with my interior, and also it's leather wrapped, so it's just going to be so much more comfortable driving it and holding it, and it's just going to feel like a nicer truck because this is in there. I'm excited to bring you guys all of these installs, and like I said before, I'm going to bring these installs in individual videos, and that's not for my benefit. I think it's for you guys, so that if you're not interested in seeing one and you want to see the other, then you don't have to sit through a long video of me installing a bunch of different parts you're not interested in. And I am going to try to install everything kind of back to back to back, so that way you're not waiting for one to come out. So if you're interested in the steering wheel, then maybe wait a day and it'll come out. But I do want to take a poll, so vote up top here which one you want to see me install first. The steering wheel, the front Valence, or the tailgate damper. Another car coming by. So, like I said, I'm pumped. I think it's going to be great. And like I said, go on forums. Go to this one I got off of, what was it, FordTrucks.com, I think is what the forum is. And just a lot of information on there. They have year-specific, model-specific, just information that people are out there doing. And so there's some other ideas that people have used that I definitely want to bring to you guys and put it in video form. I think it's always good to bring installs and how-tos so that you don't have to just go on a forum and kind of read and decipher what people mean by it. You actually can see it happening. So yeah, that's it. Really excited. Oh, I should mention I got this one for just over 150 bucks. So I think it's like $160, which is not bad for a steering wheel at all, especially an OEM leather-wrapped steering wheel with all the buttons and everything. Oh, and I know you're going to ask, where's the airbag? I simply reuse the one that's in my truck now. All I have to do is swap that out, and it'll go right into this one. No problemo. Or at least that's the plan. We'll see. I think these are super simple mods that you can do to make your XLT just that much nicer, improve it from what it is, and go a little bit higher into like that Lariat echelon and getting a fancier truck for your money and saving some, because $300 for parts is not a whole lot, and you get a whole lot out of it. I think it's gonna make a big impact on the truck, and I look forward to bringing it to you guys. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching and checking out the unboxing and all these cool parts that I was able to get. If you liked the video, make sure you hit a thumbs up. If you got a question about anything or the reasoning why I'm swapping it out on a brand new truck almost, leave that down in the comment section below. I'm always down there to answer you guys' question and offer feedback. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe. If you came here just for the truck, I also have a Mustang that I drive, which you saw earlier in the video. I like to drag race that. And I also enjoy a little bit of the gun action and going to the range and bringing you guys some excitement there. So all kinds of different stuff coming all the time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thanks so much for watching. It's been Sean or Mustang 09, and we'll catch you back here next time. Peace.